What's good, everybody? It's Friday, which means we're back with yet another recap of this week's biggest Oculus Quest related news. I'm starting to sound like a broken record, but this was another massive week for the upcoming standalone headset with new leaks, new announcements, and new information that should have Star Wars fans in a frenzy. Let's see if we can get through this in less than 12 parsecs. Good news to all you Oculus Rift owners looking to bring your purchases to the Oculus Quest. Oculus has confirmed cross-buy functionality between the Quest, Rift, and the recently announced Rift S. Compatible titles include I Expect You to Die, Dance Central VR, and Journey of the Gods, just to name a few. Next up, could we be receiving official Oculus Quest in-ear headphones? A recent leak from the Best Buy website points towards the possibility of noise-canceling in-ear headphones for the Quest. If the listing is accurate, it looks as though you could be paying $49.99 for this official Quest accessory. And finally, we've received a brand new trailer for Vader Immortal, a Star Wars VR series that sheds new light on Episode 1 of this three-part series. Set between the events of Revenge of the Sith and A New Hope, the narrative-driven interactive experience will feature multiple lightsaber battles, some vertigo-inducing climbing, and even some hilarious voice acting from SNL alum and national treasure Maya Rudolph. That about wraps it up for this week, but be sure you're visiting VRScout.com for everything VR and AR related. We will see you on the next quest.